How to roast someone in English without being rude. Let's go. Nice try. Nice try. You called pizza a vegetable? Nice try. A smooth move. A smooth move. Oh, you spilled the coffee again? A smooth move. Classic you. Classic you. Forget your keys. Classic you. Wow, you're a genius. Kinda. Wow, you're a genius. Kinda. You put the remote in the fridge. Wow, you're a genius. Kinda. Yourself. Congratulations, you played yourself. Congratulations, you played yourself. You stayed up all night and now you're tired. Congrats, you played yourself. Impressive, not. Impressive, not. You trip over nothing. Impressive, not. That's bold of you. That's bold of you. Wearing socks with sandal. That's bold of you. Way to go, champ. Way to go, champ. You just sent the text to the wrong person. Way to go, champ. You tried your best and failed. You tried your best and failed. Cooking pasta without water, you tried your best. Cute mistake, cute mistake. You mixed salt with sugar, cute mistake. Legendary fail, legendary fail. Dropping your phone twice in a 1 minute, legendary fail. You must be proud, you must be proud. You burned toast again, you must be proud. Your brain took a coffee break. Your brain took a coffee break. You forgot what you were saying mid-sentence. Your brain took a coffee break. You're consistent at a messing up. You're consistent at a messing up. Every time we're late, it's because of you. You're consistent. Well, that was something. Well, that was something. You tried to sing, well, that was something. Bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off. Bold strategy. Let's see if it pays off. Eating ice cream before dinner. Bold strategy. Nice one, Sherlock. Nice one, Sherlock. Really? The sky is blue? Nice one, Sherlock. What a pro! What a pro! You lost to a beginner in chess? What a pro! Ten of the 10 efforts, 2 of the 10 results. 10 of the 10 efforts, 2 of the 10 results. You tried to bake cookies? Yeah, 10 out of the 10 efforts. Don't worry, it will still love you, probably. Don't worry, it will still love you, probably. You crashed the group chat with 50 emojis? Don't worry, it will still love you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.